How to remove an app from recently added on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Now, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. As you can see, all the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. From here, go to the recently added group. These are the apps that you have recently added to your phone. Now, press and hold the app you want to remove from here. And then, tap on Delete App. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Deleting this app will also delete its data, but any documents or data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. You have now successfully deleted this app. Following these steps, you can easily remove an app from recently added on iPhone.